So you know how a lot of popular maps have that text at the top of the screen saying the island code and the map name? Well, today I'm going to show you how to do that. And it's actually super simple. It's literally just one device. And that one device is the HUD message device. So for the settings, the message is obviously where you put your island code and the map name. So for me, I've done tunnel box fights, and that's my map code for tunnel box fights. And guys, if you scroll across the format styles, you can select the text, and then you can change what format style you want the text to be in. So you press the button at the bottom and it says apply style. For me, it's X on Xbox. And then you can apply these different styles to your text, and it's actually pretty cool. I went with a header 2. And then message recipient to all, because you're going to want to have this to all players. Show on round start to on, time from round start to instant, so it appears instantly. Show for duration permanent, because you want it to be on their screen for 100% of the time. For me, I've done a background color. It just makes it look a bit cleaner in my opinion. So I've done the background opacity is 50% and the background color is black to make it a bit cleaner. But it's obviously up to you what you want to do. And then play sound, you can put this to none because you don't really need it. The placement, you have to put it to custom. And then when you go to screen anchor, there's lots of different settings right here. You're going to want to put it to top center. I put a placement vertical values. So basically it's not right at the top of the screen. There's a bit of a gap. So it's not like right shoved up right at the top. But that's really up to you what you want to do. And then priority, you're going to want this to display immediately because you don't want it to be on a queue. And then down here you can change your text color. For me, I've left it as white, but you can change it to any of these different colors. There's so many colors you can choose from. And then finally, right at the bottom, you can change the text size. For me, I've just left it as 18. And then finally, guys, you're going to want to remove the default codes display. So go to your island settings and then go to user interface and then go to the HUD section and then scroll down a bit. You'll find the island code display. Make sure you put this to don't show. And as you can see, guys, this is how it looks in game. It looks really clean and it just shows my map name and the map code. And there's a bit of a gap between the top of the screen and where the text is because I put that offset. Make sure to like, subscribe if you found this tutorial helpful, and check out more tutorials on screen right now. Thanks for watching this video, guys. Peace.